but I swear this has like a scent to it. Welcome back everyone to Skincare and Beauty with Perky Perkids. Today I'm very excited because I'm going to be doing my Boxycharm base box unboxing for the month of July. The month of July, I've been really excited with the options that Boxycharm has actually to offer, and so much so that I decided to make its own dedicated video. So all the makeup items I received in my July boxes, I used it to create this look. Be able to tell you guys a little bit about my thoughts and opinions on the products that I received. If you guys saw my premium unboxing, you saw that I was pretty happy. So, but anywho, before I go any further, you guys, make sure if you haven't done so and you would like to support me, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you guys end up loving the video, or you guys just like Boxycharm, you know, give it a like button, you know, help me out. Let's boost that engagement. And also, if you haven't done so, make sure you guys enter my active giveaway. I will be adding some goodies here in the next couple days, and you do not want to miss out. I will also have that link up in the cards and down in the description. Make sure you enter, and as a reminder, it's a US and Canada giveaway only due to COVID and shipping costs and issues at this time. Now let's begin my Boxycharm base box unboxing. A little information before I begin. The base box is a $25 a month subscription, which we get 5 full-size items, and we're supposed to get a minimum of $125 in value in our base boxes. But anyways, you guys, I've talked quite enough. Let's begin the July Boxycharm base box unboxing, and let's go. We are getting cards again, you guys. So I guess Boxycharm heard us and they decided to start bringing us cards back, because I think last month I got cards. I don't remember, but I know for May we did not get cards. So this month's theme is sunshine on a cloudy day. But anyways, it's sunshine, which I think this is actually really cute. And outside is beautiful and sunny, so I'm excited. And a little sneak peek of what I got. Let's put her down. So now I'm gonna start off with my choice item, which was the 111 Skin, the NAC Y2 Pollution Defense Booster. Let me open her up, read what this booster is about. It says a daytime booster to fortify your skin against the harmful aggressors of the digital age. This unique booster shields the skin against physical and blue light pollution through a powerful combination of peptides and antioxidants. So I actually like that. I love peptides. I love antioxidants. Peptides are so beneficial, especially for your skincare routine. And this retails for $135. So because I do have quite a bit of skincare open, you guys who have seen my unboxing for PR saw everything I have. So I'm trying to work through it. And right now, pretty much any skincare I get in subscription boxes, I am not opening them unless I need it. The booster is $135, you guys. Holy cow. Like, you guys, that just paid for the entire box and surpassed the minimum retail value, which is insane. Like, you would think it's made of gold, right? Next is this Grace and Stella anti-wrinkle and energizing eye mask. There's 12 pairs in this pack and it retails for $21. This is suffering from dark circles, puffy eyes, bags, fine lines, and general fatigue around the eyes. Perk them up and you would look like you slept for a full 8 hours. Again, same deal. Even though I do love eye patches, I currently have 2 sets open. I have my Derma E, my Good Molecules open, so I need to finish those first. So I'm gonna save this, you guys, for a future giveaway because I'm getting very close to my 2K and I've been saving products, and trust me, I've been saving quite a bit. The next item I received was this Do Care Fierce and Fine Graphic Liner. Retails for $21. It says a deeply pigmented and waterproof graphic liner that is easy and effortless to apply. The design felt tip applicator allows you to create either a thick or thin line depending on the amount of pressure you use during application. That's actually not bad, because I went from light-handed and then I put more and more pressure as I went down, and it actually went pretty smooth. Very minimal bleeding, and I mean, your hand has a lot of texture, and I did not put no lotion on my hands so far. Shame on me. The next item received, so the Pure Cosmetics Festival 2.0 eyeshadow palette retails for $36. So let me show you guys the inside so you can see it. I like how the box has all the shades back here and the names as well, and the back of the actual palette also has cruelty-free, gluten-free, vegan-friendly, please recycle. So it's a recyclable material, so that's incredible. That's always good. And question, does Pure Cosmetic eyeshadow palettes, all of them, have only a 6-month shelf life? Because recently my friend here on YouTube, Jessie Gonzalez, did the Raw Beauty Christie palette review, and she pointed out how the new palette only has a 6-month shelf life. Why? This has a 6-month shelf life. Like, I thought it was a one-off. I never paid attention to it. I just assumed most brands would have at least a 12-month shelf life. Like, that's a good question to ask Pure. Why do you only have a 6-month shelf life? Can you find a way to get it to 12 months, please? Because that is not cool. Who in the world is gonna hit pan in 6 months? I don't know why. I'm smelling vanilla. I'm weird. I'm seriously smelling something. It's like a candy of some sort. But anyways, so this Festival 2.0 palette, it's actually a very neutral palette. I could definitely see this particular kind of pressed pigment color right here. It's a very pretty color. It looks like slightly lighter than the one I used from the Manny MUA palette with Morphe. This again, it's another nice neutral everyday palette. This is a very cute palette. Again, I'm just kind of like, why is it only 6 months? Most likely so it could get some use. And again, I'm giving a lot of stuff to my daughter because she's practicing and stuff, so this will most likely end up going to her. I'm going to post swatches right now so you guys could see how the colors perform. But again, just looking at the palette, it's a nice, simple, everyday palette with your little pop of color, which personally, I love pop of color. I always try to do a pop of color on the lower lash line, so I do appreciate that. This bright red, I kind of feel like it should have been another color, but hey, to each their own. Not a big deal. But I swear, this has like a scent to it. Like, for anyone else that got the Pure palette in their box, let me know if you guys smelled anything, because again, it's nothing bad by all means. It smells sweet to me. It's just, is it just me or am I just hungry? I don't know. Let me know. Do you smell anything? Like, it's weird. And the last item I received was the Hourglass Arch Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil, which retails for $28, you guys. That is so expensive. So again, I used the makeup items to complete this look, which I use this for my brows. I'm so picky when it comes to brow products. I really am. Like, I tend to usually just toss things. You guys, I fell in love with this Hourglass brow pencil. I was able to do my brows so easily. I didn't even need to clean them up and carve them out or anything. I mean, maybe I could have touched up some areas, but it wasn't really bad where I'm like, oh, that'd be horrible if I left out of the house. Little spoolie on one end, and then here, let me pull this up. On the other side, it's a very thin, flat, almost like a little rectangle. And I got dark brown, which I first thought it was too light, but oh, I just love how I did my brows. I was actually, because again, I am not the most skilled person when it comes to makeup. I'm still learning. I only learned how to do makeup 18 months ago, you know. I started watching Facebook Lives, Candy Lover 89, Beauty by Bianca, which they both have YouTube channels here, and Candy Lover's a great singer also. I learned to do my makeup watching their videos and their lives on Facebook because they show technique. It's not like a YouTube video where there's a lot of jump scenes. Now, what's funny is I thought it was going to be super more expensive. I don't know why. I thought it would be like $40. This is $28 again. And I currently use the Benefit Precisely My Brow, and that is my OG by all means. That's my OG favorite, but it's only $4 more. So this is definitely an item I might repurchase down the line. Now, the grand total of my box, you guys, was $241. That's $241 for my base box. That's pretty high up there. Now, I know the biggest reason is this 111 skin booster, which is causing the huge price variance, you know, compared to probably what other boxes would have been. Because if I would have chosen one of the other choice items, it would have been like much less expensive, but that's perfectly fine, you know, no big deal. The other items that are in this box, again, even if I said I'm not going to use the skincare at this time, it's still items I do like and enjoy, and it's still items I would have purchased if it weren't that I'm just overly stocked at this point. So I do like that. You guys already heard me on the brow pencil, like, preach. Love it. Liner, very excited to try it out. I did not test it with my eye makeup. I forgot to put it on. The Pure palette, again, it's very nice, very simple with a little pop of color. My only concern about this is the 6-month shelf life, you know what I mean? But other than that, it's okay. It's very cute. So I will definitely say this month's box, I will give Boxycharm a 5 out of 5. So let me know what you guys think of my Boxycharm base box. Do you guys think this box was worth $25? Again, I paid $25. Or do you think, nah, if you didn't need the items, you should have just skipped the month? You know, let me know what you guys think. And once again, if you have not entered my giveaway, make sure you guys do so. The link is down in the description. And I hope you guys give my video a big old thumbs up. And then my son would like to say,
subscribe to my mom's channel. If you don't know it, I'll tell you. It's Skincare and Beauty with Perky Perkins.
Oh, thank you. He had been waiting all day to say that line. He goes, no, I want to say the subscribe. I'm like, that's to the end, man. So I'm like, all right, you get to do it in this video. Such a cutie. But anyways, you guys, again, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if you guys haven't done so, because Sai said so, okay? Sai said so. But anyways, thank you guys all so very much. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. And I hope you guys are having a beautiful day, a beautiful night, whatever time it is for you at this time. Goodbye.